Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Novel AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in novelai.net and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Novel AI website. Now from this page, to sign up and create a new account, click on the login button at the top right corner. Then from the login portal, click on sign up. You will then be allowed to sign up for your account. Go ahead and type in your email address and then type it in once again to confirm it. Then type in your desired password and type it in once again to confirm it as well. If you have a gift key, then you can also type it in by clicking on the gift key drop down button. After typing in all of your information, click on start writing to continue the sign up process. You will then be asked to check your inbox for the verification code. So log into the inbox of the email address that you just provided and then you will find the link that you can click on. Go ahead and click on the link or copy the code from within the email and paste it in the verification box, and now you will be told that your email has been confirmed. Now you can click on the login button and use your email address and password to sign in to your account by clicking on the sign in button. And there you have it. That is how you can sign up and create a new account on Novel AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.